Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Razabian Putra. In this video, I would like to explain about three materials. In my video, when I talk about SPF, I will talk to you guys. I wanna make some tutorial about topology and about lab 1 until lab 3, but in this video I will change with and then I will explain to you guys about extended explanation, OSPF virtual link, OSPF standard area, and OSPF stop area. Introducing, we'll begin. Hello everyone, in this session we are going to discuss some key concepts of OSPF, or open shortcuts first. Wait guys, okay. Especially, we will cover three main topics. The first is OSPF virtual link, and then the second is OSPF standard area, and then the third is OSPF stop area and their variation. By the end of this explanation, you will understand not only the definition but also the scenario where each of these concepts is used. Part 1, we're gonna talk about virtual link. Is our learning object for this video. Virtual link, OSPF standard area, OSPF stop area along with their types. First is OSPF virtual link. OSPF is hierarchical routing protocol that divides the network into areas according to OSPF rules. Every area must be connected to the backbone, which is area 1. Area 0. This requirement ensures the routing information flow correctly between all areas. But in real world network design, sometimes an area cannot directly connect to area 0. For example, maybe area 2 is only connected to area 1, and area 1 is connected to area 0. In this case, area 2 has no direct physical link to the backbone. So how can we make OSPF work? The solution is the virtual link. A virtual link is a logical tunnel established between two area bar routers, or ABR. One ABR is in area 2 and area 1, and the other ABR is in area 1 and area 0. By configuring a virtual link through area 1, OSPF treats area 2 as if it is directly connected to the backbone. So, when do we call it an OSPF virtual link? We use the term when a non-backbone area is forced to reach area 0 logically through another area. It is not a special physical link, but a logical connection inside OSPF itself. And then OSPF standard area are the second our learning object. OSPF standard area. The standard area is the simplest types of OSPF area. It is also the default type if you do not configure anything special. That's the meaning of OSPF standard area. And then in standard area, all types of OSPF LSIs or link state advertisements are allowed. That includes type 1 router LSA, type 1 router LSA, type 2 network LSA, type 3 summary LSA, type 4 ISBR summary LSA, and type 5 external LSA. This means the standard area has a complete view of routing information inside the OSPF domain, as well as external routes redistribute into SPF. So you guys asked me what the meaning of LSA. So the meaning of LSA standard for LSA stands for Link State Advertisements. It is the basic information unit in ISPF. LSA are used by router to share network topology information with other router. Every ISPF router generates LSA and floats them within its area. So all routers have the same link state database or LSDB. From the LSDB, router run the SPF short path first algorithm to calculate the best path. Think of LSA as network gossip. Every router tells other what it knows about the network. And then in LSA there is the type of LSA. There are different type of LSA, each with a specific purpose. Type 1 router LSA. Generated by every router inside an area. Describe the router interface states and tasks. Floated only within the same area. Second, LSA Type 2 or Network LSA. Generated by the designer router or DR on broadcast or multi-access network like Ethernet. Describes all router connected to the network segment have produced flooding of LSA. Then the type number 3 of LSA is summary LSA, generated by area border router or ABR. Advertises a network from one area into another area, ensure inter-area communication. Then the number 4 is ASBR summary LSA, also generated by ABR, describe how to reach an ASBR or autonomous system boundary router. Needed so router know how to get the redistribute external routes. Number 5 of type of LSA is external LSA. Generated by ASBR, describe routes that are redistributed into SPF from another routing protocol. Flooded through the SPF domain, except stop area. Number 6 is group membership area, originally for multicast SPF or MOSPF. Rarely used the modern network. And the last is NSSA, external LSA. Generated by ISBR inside an NSSA or not so stubby area, used instead of type LS5 LSA inside NSSA, converted to type 5 by ABR when leaving the NSSA. The conclusion for LSA is LSA are the building block of ISPF link state database. Each LSA type has a specific role in describing topology, network, and or external routes. Without LSAs, OSPF router would not be able to share or calculate routes. Then, after we back again to OSPF standard area. When do we call it an OSPF standard area? We use the term an area is connected to area 0 and does not have any restriction, meaning is not configured as a stop or NSSA. For example, if one area is directly connected to the backbone and we don't configure any special setting, it is automatically considered a standard area. The standard area is very common in small to medium network because it is simple and carries for routing knowledge. Then the number 3 is stop area. So stop area, why do we need stop area? In large OSPF network, routing table can become very large and router may need to process too many LSA. The consume memory and CPU research to reduce this overhead. OSPF provided special types of area called stop area. Stop area filter or curtain types of LSA to keep routing simple inside the area. There are four main type of stop area, but there's no three, but I will explain the four main types to you guys. First is stop area. Stop area is the block external LSA type 5. Instead of learning all external routes, it uses a single default route to reach destination outside the OSPF domain. This reduces the number of routes inside the area. The second is totally stop. This is a SQL specific. It blocks not only external LSA type 5, but also summary LSA type 3 and type 4. The only thing routes inside this area now is intra-area routes and a single default route pointing to ABR. This is very efficient for small branch office that only need to reach the backbone. Number 3 is NSSA, no so stubby area. NSSA is similar to a stub area, but it allows redistribution of external routes inside the area. Instead of type 5 LSA, it generates type 7 LSA for external route. Later, the ABR translates this type 7 LSA into the type 5 LSA when sending them to the backbone. This is useful when a branch needs to inject external routes, such as from a local internet connection. Then number 4, or the last of stop types, another totally NSSA. Another SQL specific feature, it combines the rule of totally stop and NSSA. It blocks summary LSA type 3 and type 4 and external LSA type 5, but still allow type 7 LSA for redistribution inside the area. They provide both simply and flexible. In short, area are about balancing routing efficiency with network design requirement. The conclusion for my video is to conclude OSPF is very flexible routing protocol that provide different area types. This of stop area along with their types. We use virtualing when an area, different area types to different needs. We use virtualing when an area is not directly connected to the backbone and must be connected to logically. We use the term standard area when an area is connected normally to area 0 and carries all LSA without restriction. We use stop area and their variation when we want to simplify routing table and reduce unnecessary information inside an area. By understanding this OSPF concept, we can design networks that are not only functional but also scalable and efficient. Maybe thank you for listening your attention. Maybe use that for my example of my video about OSPF virtualing, OSPF standard area, and stop area, and all of their types. Thank you for listening your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.